Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to file the Articles of Organization for your LLC, step by step in simple terms. This document is what officially creates your limited liability company in your state, so it's one of the most important parts of the entire formation process. Let's get started. First, go to your Secretary of State's website. That's where you'll find the official LLC filing section. Each state has its own portal, but the process is very similar everywhere. Look for a button or tab that says Form an LLC, File Articles of Organization, or Start a New Business. Once you click that, you'll be asked to fill out an online form, or you can download a PDF version to mail in if your state allows it. Next, you'll enter your LLC's name. Make sure it's unique and follows your state's rules. It must include Limited Liability Company, or abbreviations like LLC or L.L.C. You can use your state's name search tool to confirm the name isn't already taken before filing. Then you'll need to provide your registered agent information. This is the person or service responsible for receiving legal documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in your state, no P.O. boxes, and be available during business hours. You can be your own agent or use a professional service if you prefer privacy. After that, you'll fill in your principal business address, which can be your office or home if you're working remotely. Some states also ask whether your LLC is member-managed or manager-managed. Member-managed means all owners handle daily operations. Manager-managed means you appoint someone else to do it. Choose what fits your setup best. You may also need to include the purpose of your business, which can be general, for example, to engage in any lawful business activity. Some states require the names of LLC members or managers, so have that information ready too. Once everything is filled out, review your form carefully for typos or errors. Then it's time to pay your filing fee. The cost varies by state, anywhere from $40 to around $500. Most states let you pay online by card, and some approve your filing instantly, while others take a few business days. After your Articles of Organization are approved, your LLC is officially formed. You'll receive a confirmation or certificate from your state. Keep it safe because you'll need it for opening a business bank account or applying for your EIN. And that's it. That's how you file the Articles of Organization for your LLC, from start to finish, all online and within minutes in most states. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.